When the Internet of Things was first sold to us, the pitch was about simple conveniences. It was smart thermostats learning your schedule, voice assistants playing music, and automated sensors adjusting the lighting in your living room. We are past that early phase. In 2026, there are over 21.5 billion connected devices operating globally. The Internet has escaped the screen. It is now embedded in the physical world, where network operations directly control human life support systems, like the continuous telemetry feeds surrounding an ICU patient bed. This hyperconnectivity extends to the industrial sector, driving the synchronized movements of heavy robotic arms on assembly lines and managing global supply chains. Because these invisible networks now dictate physical environments, a digital failure or a data breach translates immediately to physical, real-world consequences. This global infrastructure was built fast, and it was built loose. Manufacturers prioritized speed over safety, relying on weak encryption protocols and default passwords that users rarely changed. In just the first half of 2026, researchers exposed a sudden spike of over 21,500 IoT vulnerabilities. Because of these flaws, the global cost of cybercrime is projected to exceed $20 trillion by the end of 2026. The unregulated era of connected devices successfully built a nervous system for the planet, but it left that system undefended and under constant attack. In traditional IoT systems, edge sensors collect physical data. This data is transmitted across networks to centralized cloud platforms, where computers identify actionable patterns. An automated command signal is then routed back to the device to trigger a mechanical response. This four-step loop, sending every piece of data up to a central cloud and waiting for a response, has become a bottleneck. It is too slow for time-critical, real-world survival. We are now moving into the artificial intelligence of things, or AIoT. AIoT relies on edge computing. Instead of routing data to a distant cloud, individual devices use built-in machine learning models to analyze data and make autonomous decisions locally in milliseconds. This speed is necessary in critical scenarios. Inside the ambulance, onboard telemetry equipment can analyze a patient's vital signs in transit and immediately alert doctors if a patient destabilizes, bypassing the delay of a cloud server. But putting a brain inside a physical object introduces a severe risk. These autonomous edge devices are highly susceptible to remote code execution, or RCE attacks. RCE vulnerabilities allow attackers to bypass authentication entirely. They hijack these intelligent edge devices and turn them into weaponized botnets capable of launching massive coordinated cyber attacks. There is also an ethical dilemma. AIoT systems possess the processing power to infer complex behavioral patterns. They enable continuous silent surveillance by collecting sensitive data without informed consent. Giving physical objects the AI brainpower to act autonomously has magnified their life-saving utility, while simultaneously turning them into a systemic threat. Mounting damages mean the era of unregulated IoT expansion is coming to a halt. The most significant legal response is the European Union's Cyber Resilience Act, or CRA, passed to assert legal authority over the manufacturing of digital products. Starting in September 2026, the CRA enforces a strict mandate. Manufacturers must report any actively exploited vulnerabilities to authorities within 24 hours. The law also requires devices to have secure over-the-air update capabilities. Manufacturers must be able to push remote patches to fix injection flaws before they are exploited. Cybersecurity is no longer an optional feature. It is a legally enforced baseline for entering the market. To meet these standards while protecting privacy, the industry is deploying technical defenses. This diagram shows federated learning. Devices collaboratively train a model, sending only learned insights back to a central server. The raw user data never leaves the device. This is being paired with zero-trust architectures that verify every connection, and blockchain ledgers for tamper-proof identity management. These protocols replace the blind trust of earlier networks with cryptographic certainty. Surviving the Day 10 reality means accepting that the future is about engineering trust, privacy, and security directly into the physical environment.